Hi, so this is the puzzle page. If you do not have this page in your work packet, then you probably have the game page. So you can refer to the other video for the game page. You can still watch this video, but you just won't have this in your work packet to work on along with me. All right, so for the puzzle page, we have words going across and we have words going down. I'm going to read each of the words first and then we're going to put them in our puzzle. We have pollution, weather, climate change, earth. Important, brave, protect, laws, think. So let's do the words across first. So number one across is pollution. So we look for number one across and we have that right here. Excuse me. And so pollution is the bad air that is when we breathe it in. It could be due to like lots of cars being driven, maybe factories blowing out bad air. So pollution is not good because it brings bad things into our bodies when we breathe it in. We don't want pollution. Pollution is spelled Pollution. Pollution. If I'm going too fast for you, because it's probably faster for me to type than for you to write, feel free to pause the video. All right, number 5 across is weather. And so weather, we know weather, right? We talk about the weather every day. We say, what's the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy, partly cloudy, snowing even though that doesn't really happen in San Francisco. And so the weather is what we see outside, whether any of those things. So number 5 is over here, and we're going to spell out weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Our next word, number 6, is, or 6 across, is climate change. Climate change. And so climate change is one of our 4 vocabulary words this week, and it means when the weather has changed after a long period of time. So for instance, when a place has been raining for a long time, and then suddenly there's no more rain and the plants don't have enough water, and things start to go bad, it's not a good thing to have climate change. We want things to be the same with the weather so that everything that lives in that area can survive. Climate change is 6 across. So we're going to spell out climate, C-L-I-M-A-T-E. And then we're going to spell out change, C-H-A-N-G-E. Climate change. All right, and our last word that goes across, number 9 right here, is earth. So earth is another one of our vocabulary words this week. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is where we live. You and I, we live on earth. Earth is spelled E-A-R-T-H, earth. All right, so we have pollution, weather, climate change, earth. So now we're going to go down on these words. So the first word is 2 down, all the way here, which is important. Important is another one of our vocabulary words this week, and it means something we need, something that means a lot to us, something that's worthy to us. Different things are important to different people. Something that's important to you might be different and not as important to me. Or sometimes we all have important things, like maybe family and friends are all very important to us. Important. I, it's already written, so we have M, P, O, R is written. We have T, A, and then we're going to write N, T, important. Number 3 is brave. Brave goes down here, brave. So brave is something that means that even when we're scared, we still do it. So like I'm scared to climb a tall building because I might be scared of heights and it's being really high up in the air, but I still do it because, I want to and I know I'll be okay. That's being brave. It's okay to be scared, but you still do it. Brave. Number 3. So we're going to write B, R. A is already written. B and E is already written. Brave. Our next word is protect. Protect is another vocabulary word for this week, and it means to keep safe, to keep something safe, to protect it. So we want to protect our family, our friends from something bad happening to them. We want to protect the earth so that we have a nice place to live in. Protect. 4 going down is over here. So we're going to start with 4. We're going to write P, R, O, T, E, C, T. Protect. Protect. Number 7, we have the word laws. Laws are rules that are made by the government to sometimes to protect us or to protect something. It can be made by the United States government, the California government, or the San Francisco government. So the federal government, which is the United States, California, which is our state, and San Francisco, which is our city laws. All of those places can have their own laws. So number 7, we're going to write laws. L-A-W-S. And then our last word, 8, is think. So think is, when we're thinking about something with our head, we're thinking, how do I feel today? What do I think about the food today? What do I think about Earth and climate change? Think. T-H-I-N-K.